Build your own OLX platform and launch your marketplace business faster than ever. Discover powerful ready-made solutions with Sangvish, where modern entrepreneurs build scalable digital marketplaces without starting from scratch. Now you can create your own OLX-like platform and step into the growing world of online buy and sell marketplaces. Every day, thousands of users are actively buying and selling products online. This creates a huge opportunity for entrepreneurs to build their own marketplace and generate consistent revenue. With the right platform, you can connect buyers and sellers seamlessly and grow your business faster. This smart classified platform is built for real business growth, offering faster launch, flexible customization, and long-term scalability. For users, it provides easy product posting, advanced search filters, and direct communication between buyers and sellers, making the experience simple and seamless. For admins, it offers complete control with powerful dashboards, listing management, user control, and real-time insights. With enterprise-ready standard features, your platform runs efficiently from day one. Plus, advanced add-on features allow you to customize, expand, and scale your business anytime. Built using modern scalable technologies, it ensures high performance, strong security, and a smooth experience across devices. The mobile app interfaces are designed for fast browsing, easy navigation, and seamless interaction for users on the go. Trusted by businesses worldwide with positive client feedback, this solution is built for success. Get your free demo today and start building your OLX marketplace with Sangvish.